What's up, YouTube? So today we going to go check out one of my coworkers' bikes. At it's like 81 in Chicago right now. So I'm gonna go check that out. Let me make sure the weather, because I've been riding with a t-shirt for the last couple of days that I've been riding because it's been so hot. So it's gonna be 83, no rain. Check the heat stay. Going over to Indiana today. So Crown Point, check out his bike. I finally got the helmet, so I'm gonna show y'all that too. But yeah, no rain, so. Warming up. I'm looking into an exhaust. If anybody have any suggestions, please let me know. I'm between a competition works. I hear it's extremely loud. Only thing I hate about exhaust shopping, and that's even for cars, you can't really hear the exhaust before. I mean, you can watch YouTube videos, but that don't really give you the full effect. And I kind of hate that about exhaust shopping, but I don't know. I seen the Termi exhaust. I liked it. One of the guys I subscribe to, he has a Termi exhaust, and it sounds pretty amazing, flying by and everything. So I don't know. I might do the competition works just to check it out. But if I don't like that, I'm probably gonna get a Termi. But also I seen that the competition works shoot flames. I don't know if the Termi does or not. But I don't know. It's so many questions that have not been answered about these exhausts. So I'm definitely gonna check it out. And I'm gonna get back to y'all. So I arrived at Tyler's house. Tyler, hey. In the newborn. So got my first ride in with the helmet. And this is his bike. GSX 1250 FX. It's actually got a lot of miles on it. I can see it.
18,000.
What? Mods?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Well, I heard 50 was pretty high for bikes and that. But right here.
Is it in neutral?
Yeah.
See, not gonna cut.
No.
Baby? Okay.
It's good. Clutch.
Oh man. The clutch. You gotta squeeze the clutch in? It's let's see. It might not be in neutral. Let's see. It is real quick. Oh, you got him, John Deere. Oh yeah. Oh God. Let's see. Oh, maybe it's because the kickstand's down. No.
No, should start up in.
Well, let me figure this out, y'all. Finally got it started. I'm actually looking at another exhaust too, so I was just telling them. But it don't sound bad, like, at all. You need some gas.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cold. I need to get one of those too. I just got my, I ain't got nothing. I'm kind of naked up there.
Well, you only was riding in Arizona. This was his Arizona bike. And then he had Kawasaki around here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I might have to look into these exhausts and see if they got one for my bike. I doubt it. It's so hard to find the exhaust for my bike. But it actually sounds pretty dope though. I'm actually shocked. I gotta get them footage of me riding with my helmet on.